it's our second weekend out at CQ. Well, talk about the millionth time, but second weekend in a row. So, we have a couple of friends over. And if you would like to follow me through the hall, bit of music going on, but, you know, tonight in the fridge, you know, there's a few, like, bottles. We got some JD right over here. Moscato. Brown Brothers, the only pink shit that we drink. Empty bottles. Fruit basket. And of course, I do rather think that this is mine, but I'm not too sure. But I'm going to drink it anyway. Follow me through the hall. There's a couple of girls and a strange foreign visitor getting her eyelashes stuck on. Hello, this is Ashley. And the usual Destiny as we have it, as we know it.
As we know her.
Now, let's wave in the mirror, everybody.
What's that? Oh.
Hello, hello. And now, Destiny, would you mind standing up for a second?
Put your ass away.
Thank you.
Shake it, baby.
Isn't it amazing? And now, you take this to me. Okay, so before we were so rudely interrupted by the camera deciding I had a full battery pack, let's continue. And that's right, a battery pack, Destiny. Indeed. Now, I'm not sure whether we actually got on Winter Day, everyone's asses, but, you know, it's a bit too late for that. There's one, two. Winter Day.
My orange feet are probably.
Yeah, the orange feet. Disastrous.